Hi, this is Satirs Basakaropoulos from buildingabetterblog.com, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to create a call to action with Kalatu premium plugins. In order to actually be able to do this, you will need to be a member, a Kalatu member, and you'll also need to have got the Kalatu premium as well, because the plugin isn't available just on the basic blog. Okay, so what you do is you just basically go in and you would log in to your blog, so whatever your domain name is, /wp-admin, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to a post that I actually did earlier. Okay, so I'm just going to click on posts, all posts, and let's see, I'll edit this one here. Okay, now if you see this post, I'm just going to click on view post so you can see it. If you see this post, basically the only call to action I have is, call to action on the different things, the different products. There's also some tips and links to video uploading sites, and there is a small call to action which I've done down here. Okay, now I'll be covering this in another training, but this is a separate call to action. The great thing about Kalatu is you also have other built-in call to actions you can use. You can see this is one of them down at the bottom of my post. Okay, so this is one of the ready-made call to action. There's all different ones for different things. Okay, but that's a bonus to what I'm going to be showing you here now. Okay, so we'll just go to our post, and if you go to plugins and applications first, just so I'll show you which one it is. It's actually called Content Blaster. This is the one here. Okay, so this is the plugin that you'll be using. What happens is you will actually see it up here. There's a wee button here up at the top, and that is actually the Content Blaster plugin. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down the page here, and I'm going to go down to where I want to put my call to action. Okay, so I'll come down here and say I wanted to put another call to action here above my picture. Okay, so all I will do is I will click Content Blaster, and it gives you an option of different messages that you have made. Okay, different messages that you have made which could go to different lists. So I'm going to use this one here, the largest MLM Facebook groups. Okay, so I'm just going to click on that and then press OK. Now you'll see there's a bit of code here has gone in automatically once I click that. Okay, so all you do is click that and you'll see this bit of code here. Okay, and this is the bit where it's a wee bit more complicated. What you do is you basically write your message in between these two boxes. Okay, so you see where you see the two wee boxes joining each other in content and upgrade. You just write, and that is actually your message in between there, whatever you write in between there. But before I actually do that, I'm just going to go here again and click Content Blaster again. Now instead of actually picking one like that, okay, one of the lists now, instead of picking Content Blaster, I'm going to click the button up at the top and I'm going to click Fancy Box. Okay, so I'm going to click Fancy Box like so, and then there's different numbers. Now you'll be able to test these and see what they each look like. Okay, I'm going to pick the fourth one. Okay, but it's entirely up to you which box you want to use. I'm going to pick the fourth one, so I'll just click the box like so, and then click OK. Now you'll see when I did that, another 2 bits of code have just came here. You'll see, okay, you'll be able to see these 2 bits of code have just appeared here, right? So all I actually do here is I take this piece of code here and copy it, and then go to the very left hand side as far as I can go. As far as I can go. Like so. And I'm just going to paste that. Okay, so I'm pasting this one here that says Fancy Box ID on the left of the content one. Okay, I'm going to delete this because I no longer need it because I've just pasted it. Like that, just delete it. Okay, and then you remember I said to you it goes in between the two content ones here. So in between these two wee brackets here, I'm just going to write what my message is, right? So click here to get access. This will be my call to action. Access to the largest network and internet marketing groups on Facebook. Okay, so basically that's going to be my call to action. Okay, if I want, I could also bold it. So I'll maybe bold it like so. Okay, and now all I will do is, now that I've done that, all I will do is I will just basically go and click the update button. And if I click on view post, and I scroll down to the bottom of the site here, you can see here is my call to action button here. Can you see that? Okay, so if you think it looks a wee bit, you know, I have quite a wide blog because my sidebar just disappeared and I have to sort it still. So I could make it a wee bit longer to make it fit if I wanted, but I'm going to leave it like that because I will be putting the sidebar back on this page. But as you can see, you know, there's all different ones. There's 3 or 4 different wee, you know, boxes that go around the writing. And this is just to put a wee call to action in, right? So basically, if someone comes along now and they click in this box, just a wee pop-up will appear, and that is connected to my my autoresponder, my Aweber list. So when someone emails in there, I basically just send them to a list of the largest Facebook groups that I found, which I you know, joined myself. So that's how you add a call to action using the new Kalatu premium plugin. Okay, hope you find that useful. For more blogging tips, you know, more blogging tips and features and stuff, and access to our daily webinars, you can basically you know, click the work with Satir's button, and you know, also get access to the tools and stuff that we have as well. So that's it for me today. I will talk to you again soon.